Okay, to install .NET Core in Mac, we need to go to this microsoft.com/.net and go to this download link and click this .NET Core and just download this for Mac package installer. I already have installed, but you can install it from here. It will going to be installed, and after you do that, just open up a terminal. I'm going to open just so let's go to the desktop and make a directory by the name of core. Just cd in the core and ls. As you can see, there is nothing. So after installing .NET Core, you just need to install .NET new. We are creating a console application console, and here you go. It's going to create it for you. Yep, restore succeeded. Now when we ls, you can see there is a program.cs, core.cs proj and the object file. So to run it, we need .NET run. The program will run from that directory. It will going to compile it and run it for us. It's taking a little time. And you can see there is this hello world. But as you can see, it will be a little difficult to use a text editor to develop a new application. Let's just go to that core directory, and as you can see, I already have, but this is the our program.cs. If we open it with a text edit, and as you can see, there is no coloring, no IntelliSense, no debugger, nothing. So it's will be very difficult to write programs. The best way, because now you can install Microsoft Visual Studio for Mac or Xamarin Studio, whatever you like. Xamarin Studio is now Visual Studio Mac, so Visual Studio Mac, just search for it, and as you can see, here you go, Visual Studio for Mac. Okay, so I think I have downloaded this. It's 31 MB .NET OS, so 31 MB file. But I already installed it, so it doesn't matter. Now you can see it automatically detects that you are running Mac. So what's new in Visual Studio for Mac, that you need to just click download, and after you download it, mm, yeah, it's a 37 MB file. So let it just download for a second, and it's a just simple package. You just install it. Let me show you until it finishes. I already installed Visual Studio, and as you can see, it is working fine. And just let me create a go to file, new solution, and in here you can build Android, iOS, any app, Windows platform app. You cannot build in Mac, but you can build any other kind of app for mobile devices. For Mac, you can build it. For now, we are just concentrating on .NET Core. So we are going to build a console application. Going next, we are going to mm, name this .NET Core, and we are going to save it on our previous folder that we have created in our desktop by the name of core. We are just going to delete the folder, move to trash, because okay, so we cannot select multiple file in this. Let's just go from here and desktop, core, and delete these files. move to trash, and as you can see it's empty now, so just open, it's an empty folder. We are going to create our files in this location and create. And as you can see it's creating for a restoring package successfully using system namespace. We don't need that thing, just this hello world. We are just going to run it, and as you can see it's building it in debug mode. Build successful, it's going to start it for us. And it's requiring my password. Why? Oh, because it want to go in developer mode, that's why it's requiring my password. So now you can see we can run in hello world, simple as it can get. We can create multiple applications for multiple purposes. Okay, now our download is finished here. Let's open it. Let me just show you what you're going to get from this installer. Okay, so there is this Visual Studio for Mac installer. You just double click it, it's going to open. Just for security, because it's downloaded from the internet, Mac is going to just open it. You can close this right now. Okay, so Visual Studio for Mac has started, and it's checking for the requirement what has been installed already in my system. Java SDK is installed, Android SDK is installed, Xamarin for iOS is not installed, so it's checking what is installed and what is not installed. Thank you for downloading. Okay, continue. Now if you want to develop any Mac software or iOS software in general, you need to have this Xcode, because Visual Studio for Mac cannot do it on its own. It needs Xcode to develop iOS and Mac app. So I already have installed. You can see it's grayed out. Android. I don't want iOS. I don't want to develop iOS app, and I don't want to develop macOS Zix app. So I just need this .NET Core app. After installing that done, you can get this Visual Studio that I have shown you.